Okay, so this here is a tile that's going on the walls. Kind of looks like marble. So I'm going to be putting that up with a 1/16 of an inch grout line. And there's going to be two noble niches. This is a noble niche here. You just cut the hole out of the back wall there, or the backboard. So there's going to be one over here and one over here on this wall here. And the way it works out, the tile is exactly the same size, or just a little bit under the size of this niche here. So the way I'm going to do this is I centered. This is the center line here, and this is where the size of a tile. This is 2 grout lines for the tile. So and this is where the studs are. There's a stud right here and there's a stud right here. So this here fits right. You cut out the area of the backboard, and it fits right in between the studs. So I am going to, and I laid it out as far as laterally. Now I'm going to start on the bottom here. See, I got the floor that I put in. I got it all covered. I'm going to start from the bottom, and I'm not going to cut this out until I get to the height, one tile below where this goes, so that I can get it exactly at the right height. And I know that this here, this line here, is exactly where I have to start. It goes all the way down. That's exactly where it's going to start for going top to bottom, and the niche will fit right in here. I don't know if that's confusing, but that's how I figured that out. So I'm going to start on this bottom wall here, back wall. Okay, so this is exactly where the cubby's going to go. And we got the noble niche. You see how I put these lines here, 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 all around? That's going to make it easy for me to just place this exactly where that goes. Match all these lines up. I gotta send these lines up. Match all these lines up here. See where all these lines are. Here. See that? That. And I'll do the other side as well. And then I'll cut out. Okay, so back to this. Do well one time, make sure it's level. Let me get one shot at this thing. I'll make sure that it's perfect. That's it. Trace the line all the way around it. So I'm going to cut this out right here. Okay, this is dead shield, so it's going to be fairly easy to cut. that. And it's going to go exactly there. And that's how you put that in. Okay, 100% silicone on the back wall. I like to put some on here too. You put the silicone, you want to keep it little, you don't want to really smear it on the board because it's just, you want to keep it as little off there as possible. And that's that. And that is that.